how are you doing today? This is Charles, California, and today we're going to open the October subscription package from Menlo. So stay tuned. So this is what I got today from Menlo Club. It's from New Republic by Mark McNary. Oh yeah, so let's open this box. It's obvious that it's going to be a shoes and a Holloway burr socks. So those are the ones, and it's in the size of 10.5, 10 and a half. So that's that. So it's from New Republic by Mark McNary. And let's open this up. And the first thing that we have is the burgundy socks. So these are the burgundy socks that they have from New Republic. It's called Holloway, size OS, and it's a classic socks, a pair of it. It is made in Korea. So yeah, and then there's the name of the brand in there. So yeah, so this is that, and the name of it is Holloway. Wow, it's nice. So there's the shoes. It's kind of like the white one that they sent us. They sent me. So that's that. And then it's by New Republic. And the size, of course, is 10 and a half. So yeah. There we go. There we go. So yeah, this is exciting. So let's see. I'm going to model it, guys, and let's see how's the fit of this one. I really like. I like their white one that they sent me. That I am sure that I'm going to like this one too. Kurt leather sneaker. In black, of course. So yeah, it's nice. So I assume that it's leather. So, and then this one is made in China, it says here. So that's all for today. This is Charles, California. And this is the October package from Menlo Club, and then I will see you again in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified for new videos that I will post on my channel. Do what makes you happy. Bye.